Hello, everyone. Yes, it's about that time. The holidays are approaching, and I have some new recipes to share with you all. So stay tuned for our holiday recipes.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello, everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making some delicious candied yams, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. In this pot, I am adding 1.5 sticks of butter. As you can see, I only added 1 stick, and so as looking at my potatoes, I knew I was going to need another half a stick of butter, so that's why I needed to add another half a stick of butter because of the amount of potatoes that I had. When serving a lot of people, you can always double or triple this recipe. Here we're melting our butter on medium heat because we don't want our butter to burn. Now we're adding in our 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. So now we are mixing together our butter and our sugar. And we are still melting this on a medium heat. What we are doing, we are caramelizing our sugar and our butter. And try and mix this in well until all the sugar is, all mixed in and melted. Make sure to keep a check on your heat to make sure it's not, heating too fast. It got to be on a low medium heat so that it won't burn. And this is what we're looking for. As you can see, our mixture has begun to boil. Now it's time to add in our sweet potatoes. It all depends on you. If you want your sweet potatoes in thicker slices, slice them thicker. If you want them thin, slice them thin. Now it's time to mix in our sweet potatoes with our syrup. Make sure they are covered, all covered with the syrup. Cover with a lid until it begins to boil. Since our potatoes have begun to boil, now it's time to add in our spices. First, our nutmeg. And now our cinnamon. Now we're mixing in our spices well. Letting you know when you're making candied yams, It's up to you how much sugar you want to use. I'm kind of keeping it at a minimum, but if you want to use like 1.5 of each, the brown and the white sugar, you can for a thicker syrup. But I prefer mine as is. I'm also using salted butter, but if you want to add some salt to yours, I prefer to add like a half a teaspoon of salt to mine to keep down that sugar. For it not being so sweet, it kind of fades sweetness out just a little bit by using a little salt. But it's up to you. Make this recipe yours. We're going to let our sweet potatoes continue to boil and always keep a check on them to see if they are tender enough for you. Sometimes what I do, if I'm making these a day or two before, I don't cook my sweet potatoes all the way to tender. I wait until I get ready to warm them up, and when I warm them up, they will continue to cook. So it's up to you. You can go ahead and fully cook them, or you can just, like I say, cook them like almost done, and then turn your heat off and let them cool and put them into a container and place them in a refrigerator. When preparing yams, some people think it takes a long time, but they don't. These are almost completely ready the way I want mine. So, like I say, it all depends on you. I can't tell you, what texture you like, but you know what texture you like. And so, just let them continue to boil and always get a fork, or you can see like I just did with the spatula. You can cut through them. That lets you know that they are ready. And I'm going to remove these from the heat, and then I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, our candied yams are ready. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. And happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you. I love you. I love you. I love you. And stay tuned for more of my holiday recipes. My thought for today, if we are thankful for the little things, we will be blessed with bigger things. May God continue to bless each and every one of you.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!